Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a text box in SurveyMonkey. The first thing I want you to do is open up this survey you want to add a text box to, and then click here on Design Survey. And now once this loads up, all you want to do is come here and the left hand panel, click on Build, okay? And here on the right hand panel, you'll actually see a bunch of different options. So just scroll all the way down here. You should see text. Then all you need to do is just drag and drop this anywhere you would like. So there we go. I have dragged and dropped it right here. And that is my text box. I can go ahead and enter any text I want. Let's say example text. Okay. And then you can go ahead and make it bold, italic, anything you want. You can save this, change the color. Let's change this to pink and save that. And this is what it looks like. And as you can see, that is how you add a text box in SurveyMonkey.